Hi everyone, Jon Mitchell here, Mayor of New Bedford, and this is another installment of the Mayor's Weekly Update. So first off, I just wanted to let everybody know, if you haven't heard, that we do have a replacement now for the DATCO bus service between New Bedford and Boston. That's going to be the Peter Pan bus lines. Years ago, Peter Pan ran that route, and now they'll be doing it again. We were given notice by DATCO that they were going to be ending service. It was somewhat of an abrupt notice, but fortunately, through the work of a number of folks at the state level and the local level, we were able to get in place Peter Pan, which will provide the same service more or less. There may be a couple of fewer route options, a couple of other ride options, fewer ride options, but overall that route will still, that service will remain in place. So we're pleased with that. Just wanted to let you know that that's the case. You can go to on the city's website and find out more about that, or you can just, even better, go to the Peter Pan website. It's probably the best place to go to get the exact schedule. So that's happening, and the idea there is just to make sure, at a minimum, that route, that service continues through the time when the train service will start to Boston. That'll start later on this year. So we're looking forward to that, of course. The second thing that I wanted to say today was that we have, because it's spring cleanups are around the corner, and Operation Clean Sweep, which has been in place for many, many years, will be starting its summer cleanup schedule already. Here we are in April. That's coming up this Saturday. They will do it as they do every year. They'll start it off at the parking lot behind the Catalimar restaurant on Acushnet Avenue. It's back behind the corner of Sawyer Street and Acushnet Avenue. They usually stage from there, and it's a big to-do, and they cover the near north end. So we encourage people to join them, and even if you can't, whatever help you can give in picking up trash, litter, wherever is greatly appreciated. But they do such a great job, and they have fun with it. There's food, there's all the equipment is there. It's very well supported, including by the city. So I hope to see a lot of people out there this weekend. It is a big help. The last thing I just want to say is just to give a shout out to the Rotary Club of Greater New Bedford on its 100th anniversary. They had a celebration last week, and it's just a great organization that's done a lot of good for the city and the surrounding towns. They're all about service. They're all about raising money for worthy causes, but also connecting people to volunteer work and doing the volunteer work themselves. And so many thanks to them for the last 100 years of service. They've done a lot to strengthen New Bedford, and we're proud to celebrate with them. With all that, this has been the Mayor's Weekly Update. We'll see you next week.
Hi, I'm Taya Leone, and you're watching New Bedford Cable Network. Good for you.